My phone's dead.
You never charge it.
I charged it last week.
Last week?
It was a good week.
Oh my, what is wrong with Lucero?
Today we're talking about energy, and we're having a competition.
Now you have my attention.
One box represents renewable energy. One represents non-renewable energy. Your job is to figure out which is better for the future. Renewable energy comes from sources that can naturally be replaced.
Like sunlight and wind.
Exactly. Non-renewable energy comes from resources that take millions of years to form.
Like coal, oil, and natural gas.
Basically, if we use it all up, we can't quickly replace it. Like my mom's patience.
Team Renewable will be Grace, Emma, and Nicole. Team Non-Renewable will be Trey and Lucero.
This is going to be too easy.
Each team must power a small fan. Team Renewable gets a solar panel and a small wind turbine. Team Non-Renewable gets a battery pack. Let's get it started.
Turn the panel toward the sun.
More sunlight means more energy.
Why isn't ours working?
Because you put the battery in backwards.
Details.
Uh-oh.
As you can see, renewable energy sources won't run out quickly.
Solar energy comes from the sun.
Wind energy comes from moving air.
Exactly. Both of those are easily accessible. Fossil fuels are non-renewable resources. Once used, they take millions of years to replace.
What are fossil fuels?
Fossil fuels are ancient plants and animals turned into energy sources over millions of years.
That's why scientists are researching cleaner energy sources.
So you're telling me my phone needs renewable energy?
No, I'm telling you, it needs a charger.
Boynton's classroom.
Grace, are you okay? No. People on social media are saying I'm trash at basketball and should quit playing.
What people? Grace, these people don't even have real profile pictures or names. Don't let that bother you.
They just want attention through negativity.
The people who matter know you're a great player.
You guys are right. They're just haters.